Hey everybody, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. In this video, I will show you an easy tutorial on how to make a bow using a Bowdabra bow maker. So I'm going to be using this large Bowdabra bow maker, which includes a wand. And we're going to start off by using the Bowdabra wire and folding it in half. So the loop of when you fold it is going to be on top. You just insert it inside the bow maker, like so. So I'm going to start off. So first of all, I'm going to be using 3 types of ribbons, and they all match. And all this ribbon, you can get it from Sam's Club. I got it last year, and you get a lot for what you pay for. So I'm using a bee theme, as you can see, and I'm going to start off with the wide ribbon. So first, let's do the tails of our bow. You can do it as long as you want. So cut off the piece. There's 2 methods I use when I do these bows for the tails. Sometimes I do the tail with the bow. As I do another bow, I do another tail, or sometimes I just add all the tails on the same section, which is what I'm gonna do right now. So this is going to be my second one. And the third one. So now, let's start with our bow. So this is going to be the bottom. So first I start by pinching the ribbon and then insert it inside the bow maker. And remember, the print has to be on the outside of your bow. And every time you make a loop, you're gonna do a twist in the middle of the bow maker. And I'm not measuring, it really depends on how big you want your bow to be. So if you want your bow to be larger, you just make your loop larger, okay? So this is about 4 to 5 inches. So now I'm going to do a twist and then do another loop. So I'm going to be doing a total of 4 on each side. I also want to take the time to say thank you to all the new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. It will help my channel grow and motivate me to do more videos for you guys. Also, write down in the comments down below what type of videos you would like to see. If you would like to see more wreaths or bows or cricut type of content. I do have a cricut maker. Just let me know. And don't forget to like this video. I also post videos in Spanish, so I'm trying to post 1 video in English and 1 in Spanish, at least 1 a week. Sometimes I'm not able to post them, so I post the following week. So I'm doing 4 on each side. So this is the first one, and let's do the other side. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. I will be posting a link down below, and also the link down below will be showing where you can buy your bow maker. If you're interested, you can purchase a bow maker, and it's very helpful. It's a very useful way to make your beautiful bows. So now that we did the first part of the bow, well, actually the second part, now we're gonna do the second. And this is like the beehives, and on this one we're gonna be doing 3 loops on each side, and the loops are going to be a little bit smaller than this one, the first ones that we did. So we're trying to create a bit of dimension by making the bottom part of the bow larger and then going smaller and smaller. And you can add as many ribbons as you like, and different colors for spring. Okay. So here are my first 2 loops, and now we're gonna do 2 more on this side and the other side. Here's the third one. And the last one. So now the third ribbon, this one is going to have 2 loops on each side, and like I said, it's going to be a little bit smaller than this one. There's one, and another one. Go. And for the loop in the middle, I will be using this one. This is going to be the loop that shows on the top of the bow. You just need a very small piece. Fold it. So now you're going to use your wand and press it down. And with your wire, to lift it up and put this bottom part inside the loop, and then you pull up to secure your ribbon. I will be doing a 1 knot on the top and then turn it to the back. Do about 2 knots. And you can use this bow to decorate your wreath, or you can also decorate a lantern. In a future video, I'm thinking of doing an Easter lantern, so stay tuned for that. Now you may cut your tails, just the bottom, if you wish, or leave it like that. So I just like to fold it in half and cut, and this will give you a nice triangular shape. Also, I do have TikTok, so if you don't follow me on TikTok, you can follow me there. And I do plan on doing lives showing tutorials on how I do bows or wreaths. And you can also ask any questions there as I'm doing the project. Okay, so I'm done cutting the tails. So now we're going to fluff our bow. So I like to start with the bottom. This is the bottom of our bow. Now let's do the second half. This will be very pretty for a spring wreath. And there you go. Here's the final result of our bow. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and give it a like, and I will see you guys next week. Bye bye.